Rodrigo had a difficult upbringing. He endured a lot of physical abuse from his stepfather, and it would affect the way he interacted with people. It would affect the way he could perform in school. It affected his ability to maintain friendships. It even followed him to his foster care, where he was for a period of time. This was very much a child who wanted love, wanted to be supported and cared for, but felt betrayed by the people who were supposed to take care of him. After years of receiving services as a child at Los Angeles Child Guidance Clinic, Rodrigo was referred here to the Life Learning Program. Rodrigo gained a sense of awareness, a sense of confidence. He actually went on to college, and I have no doubt that he's going to be successful in whatever path he should choose in life.
Maya's parents didn't know what to do. Maya was 4 years old. She was having constant tantrums and meltdowns. She couldn't attend public preschool. Her parents were feeling desperate, feeling a little hopeless. Maya's parents brought her into the Access Center at the Los Angeles Child Guidance Clinic. She would have music therapy, play therapy, art therapy. Her parents also got coaching themselves from clinic staff. They learned how the trauma of the tragic death of her brother had not only affected her, but themselves as well. Maya made amazing progress. In just 6 months, she was able to attend a regular preschool. She is able to complete her work, follow directions. She's made new friends, and she's doing great.
The Los Angeles Child Guidance Clinic is a community mental health organization set in Central and South Central Los Angeles. We provide mental health services and other counseling services to children and their families and adults in this area.
Rodrigo's and Maya's story is incredibly inspiring, but so are the many thousands of other stories that we hear from the clients that come in through LA Child Guidance Clinic. They have learned to heal. They have learned to cope with their own traumatic childhood experiences. They have learned to break the cycle of abuse, neglect, and violence that their children would have likely suffered.
Los Angeles Child Guidance took on the commitment of becoming a trauma-informed center of excellence. Because in our community, so many of our children and families are at such greater risk for experiencing direct trauma.
It is shocking to hear that 90% of our clients have suffered childhood trauma. That impacts brain development. We also know that they are more likely to suffer from chronic medical conditions like diabetes, obesity, substance abuse, and other medical conditions. That is a reason it is really important for us to identify, intervene, and treat at an early age.
We started here in Los Angeles County in 1924, and so we've sustained services in this much-needed community for over 90 years. Those resources have created a tremendous impact in changing the lives of 30,500 children and families annually.
We know that trauma-informed and evidence-based practices work. I myself share an immigrant background with many of our clients. That is the reason why I feel passionate about instilling hope, esperanza, in many of them. I know that once they leave LA Child Guidance Clinic, they are going to leave with resources, support, and the tools that they need to be successful in schools, in their relationships, and in their lives.
We're changing lives with millions of dollars of public funded resources going into a much needed community.